Now we are going to discuss the features of the heart. This is the right atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle, and this is the left atrium. And we have taken the incision. See, this is the transverse one transverse incision, it is a superior transverse incision and inferior transverse incision, and one oblique incision vertically. And we are open this part of the right atrium to study the internal features. And this is the upper right chamber of the heart, and it receiving the venous blood from the whole body. And the openings of this right atrium are, this is inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, and this is the coronary sinus. The borders and surface formed by this right atrium, one is the right border and the part of the upper border, and the sternocostal surface and the base or the posterior surface, it is forming the right atrium. And there are three surfaces here. This is the rough anterior surface, this is the smooth posterior surface, and this is the septal surface. You can see this is the rough anterior surface formed by the primitive atrium. The rough surface, it is caused due to this pectinate muscles, musculae pectinate muscles. They are arising from this. You can see this is the crista terminalis. This ridge is crista terminalis. These pectinate muscles are originating from the crista terminalis, and they are going to the anterior part. And this is the smooth part or the posterior part, which is also called as sinus venorum. This is formed by the sinus venosus. And you can see this is the coronary sinus. This part is coronary sinus, and it is guarded by a valve that is called as Thebesian valve. And this is the inferior vena cava, it is guarded by this valve. You can see this is the Eustachian valve, this is guarded by a valve. And the superior vena cava is not guarded by any valves. You can see this is superior vena cava. And you can see there is a fossa. This is the fossa ovalis, and the margin is called limbic fossa ovalis. This in the infant, this is opened because it is opened due to the supply of the oxygenated blood from the right atrium to the left ventricle.